Hello and welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install loopback adapter inside your operating system, Windows operating system. Okay, it's pretty easy. I will show you my network adapters. See this one, Ethernet 2 and Ethernet 3. They both are loopback interfaces. Okay, just see Microsoft came test loopback adapter. So how we install it? It is so easy. Just click on your PC. It's this PC. Right click and manage. Scroll down to device manager. From this part select network adapters. Just click on it and click on action button. Okay. Scroll down to add legacy hardware. Click on next. Install hardware that I manually select from a list. Next, and here find network adapters. Okay, network adapters, this one. Right click on it. From this place scroll down to Microsoft, this one. Okay, and from the right side select and find Microsoft game test loopback adapter. Click on next. Next, finished. Here we go, it has been created. Just look, this is loopback 4. Yeah, this one finished. Thanks for watching. Thanks.